Guys, listen, bring this man to your event, bring him to your conference. I promise you, your event will be successful because no one else out there has that beautiful combination of music, love, and passion.
Saxophone, crazy. So if you want the best of music, you want the best of motivation and empowerment, you gotta bring in Mickey Smith.
Truly blessed with what you shared. The thing about process is so important for young people to understand, especially young musicians, me being a musician too. It made me want to go home and look at my process.
You know, this thing called music, it's a beautiful thing, but it's a process. It's an ongoing process. It doesn't just happen overnight. Lots of trial and error, much like in education. And my approach, First Days, Lasting Ways, sets the tone, just like I did with this instrument. It sets the tone, sets the environment for the learning stage. Because at the end of the day, we live in a society now where students, more than ever, young people, more than ever, are looking for something or someone that they can believe in.
I've watched Mickey help people discover their instruments musically, but I've also seen how he can help people find their instrument personally. It really is true that he helps people see themselves beyond themselves.
See yourself beyond. Hey, see yourself beyond. Everybody. See yourself beyond. Hey, see yourself beyond. The whole world. See yourself beyond. Apple sulfur. See yourself beyond. Hey, see yourself beyond. Make some noise.
And that's what we're trying to do each and every day. By giving me the opportunity to work with your students, I will show you not only how to set the tone on those first days, but also have lasting ways of success that will last throughout the school year and for a lifetime.
Discover your instrument and find your why.